"Grandma, why do you always smell funny?" my granddaughter asked. Her innocent remark shattered 68-year-old Nancy Miller's sense of self. Despite maintaining impeccable hygiene throughout her life, she now noticed her granddaughter avoiding her lap and wrinkling her nose when asked for a hug. That night, Nancy lay under her blanket, tears streaming down her face. "Greetings. I'm Dr. Henry Thompson, a 77-year-old geriatric specialist with over 50 years of experience, working with more than 10,000 seniors. Today, I want to share a startling truth that many might not have told you directly. Have you ever boarded a bus and noticed the seat beside you remains empty? Perhaps your grandchild hesitates to sit next to you, or your daughter-in-law frequently opens windows to air out the room. This phenomenon is often referred to as the old age smell. After examining thousands of seniors, I've discovered that 99% of individuals over 60 are unaware of this distinct odor, although those around them can detect it. What's more disheartening is that families often avoid discussing it, leaving seniors oblivious. Take George Carter, for instance. Despite his daily bathing and spotless living, he overheard one of his son's friends whisper, "Man, that old guy's smell is strong." From that day on, George seldom left his room when his grandchildren visited. If you're still reading, you might be wondering if this applies to you. Chances are it does. But don't be overly concerned. Continue reading, and I'll introduce you to an effective solution. Scientific research confirms that as we age, our bodies naturally develop a unique scent. It's not your fault. It's a result of natural bodily changes. However, this isn't something you have to accept indefinitely. By following the guidance in this article, you can prevent people from whispering behind your back about any unpleasant odors. Children won't avoid sitting with their grandparents due to any smell. Betty Davis, 65, once confided in me, saying, "Dr. Henry, my grandchild won't sit on my lap anymore. What should I do?" Her eyes filled with tears. Today I'll reveal a crucial secret I've uncovered after 5 decades of research and patient care. Remarkably, by spending just 3 minutes thoroughly washing 2 specific areas, you can eliminate 90% of that odor. This method has proven effective for over 1,000 of my patients, significantly improving their family relationships. Before we proceed, please consider liking and subscribing to help other seniors who might benefit from this information. Enable notifications to receive valuable tips that can enhance your quality of life. Let's delve into the details. Last week, I met 88-year-old Frank Wilson. He told me, "Dr. Henry, I use expensive cologne, but my son still won't stay in my room. He opens the window wide." I had to be honest with him. "Frank, cologne doesn't solve the problem. It merely masks the odor, often making it worse. It's akin to spraying air freshener in a dirty bathroom. You need to address the root cause." Many seniors make this mistake. They notice an unpleasant smell and resort to using cologne or deodorant. But this approach doesn't work. It combines the natural body odor with artificial scents, making it more overpowering. As a result, windows are opened more frequently, and seniors feel increasingly hurt. To break this cycle, it's essential to understand the actual source of the smell. Do you know where this old age odor originates? Many assume it's due to infrequent bathing or simply aging, but there's a scientific explanation. Understanding this is key to resolving the issue. Let's explore the science. As we age, our bodies undergo 3 significant changes. First, there's a shift in perspiration. In our youth, we sweat about a quart daily, but after 60, this decreases to less than half. You might think, less sweat? How does that cause a smell? But the opposite is true. Sweat naturally cleanses the body by expelling toxins. With reduced sweating, these toxins remain on the skin, fostering bacterial growth that produces odor. Nancy Clark, 71, once asked me, "I barely sweat. Why do I smell?" It's because reduced sweating leads to toxin buildup on the skin. Robert Evans, 73, shared, "I used to sweat profusely and worried about it. Now that I don't, I thought it was good, but it's not." Indeed, sweat helps eliminate waste. Less sweat means more accumulation on the skin. Second, sebum changes. As we age, the composition of sebum, the oily substance our skin produces, alters. Young and old sebum differ chemically. In older age, sebum contains a compound called 2-nominal, responsible for the characteristic old person smell. Research indicates that 2-nominal levels increase from age 50, peaking around 70. It's an oxidized fatty acid nearly absent in younger individuals, giving off a distinct odor. Third, the mouth's environment changes. After 60, saliva production drops by over 50%. Saliva helps cleanse the mouth and balance acidity. Reduced saliva leads to dry mouth, bacterial overgrowth, and bad breath. Linda Harris, 69, mentioned, "My mouth's dry, and I notice the smell when I talk. I'm hesitant around my grandkids. It is due to decreased saliva. So despite daily showers, cologne, and mouthwash, the smell persists. Why? Because of the 3 changes mentioned. But there's a solution. The answer is straightforward. You're overlooking key areas. If you're still reading and find this information valuable, please comment 1 below to let me know you're here. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend turning on notifications to avoid missing future videos. Your support enables us to continue creating informative content. Now let's proceed. Skipping the rest of this article means continuing with ineffective solutions, wasting time and money. But the method I'll share today works quickly. Within a week, you'll notice a difference. Let's cover the basics to eliminate that old age smell. Simple, effective steps. Stay focused until the end. Implement these, and in just a month, your family's attitude toward you will transform. Dr. Henry, can you eliminate the old person smell? Patients often ask me this. I always respond, yes, but you must do it correctly, in ways no one has shown you. Consider James Parker, 75. When he first visited my clinic, he looked downcast, saying, "My grandkids won't enter my room. My son keeps airing it out." But after 6 months of following my advice, he beamed. Now my grandkids sit on my lap again, like magic. You can experience that too. What I'm about to share doesn't require expensive products from pharmacies or hospitals. You can start at home today. Here's the method backed by over 50 years of medical research. 97% of my patients saw clear results. First rule, drink enough warm water. Water? What's that do? People ask. Water acts as your body's sweeper, flushing out toxins through urine. Especially crucial is the habit of drinking a glass of warm water each morning. It reduces the old age smell. Margaret Adams, 72, said, "Initially, morning water was tough, but after a month I got used to it. Now I miss it if I don't drink. My skin's better, and my grandkid says I smell nice." Aim for 6 glasses daily. Struggling to build the habit? Here's my trick. 1 glass upon waking, 1 before lunch, 1 after, 1 at 3 p.m., 1 before dinner, and 1 before bed. Old age can bring about changes, and one of those includes body odor. I'll now move on to how you can take care of your clothing and personal items to help manage it. I'll wrap everything up after that, so stay with me till the very end. Make it a point to start these steps today. Within just a month, you'll notice a marked difference. It's important to understand that clothing and personal belongings have a huge influence on the odors that can come with aging. Even after showering, dirty clothes or sheets can undo your efforts. To begin, it's crucial to change your clothing and underwear regularly. Clothes that have been worn, even if washed before, absorb sweat and skin oils that foster bacterial growth, especially during hot weather. Increased temperature and humidity can make things worse, so switch outfits more often. Robert Harris, now 72, shared that he used to avoid doing laundry frequently and wore the same clothes for 3 or 4 days. But his doctor advised daily changes. The smell, the doctor said, builds up and drags you down. Fresh underwear every day is a must. Cotton is the best choice because it absorbs moisture and allows your skin to breathe. Synthetic materials, on the other hand, hold in sweat and make odors worse. Whenever possible, wash and dry your clothes in sunlight. Sunlight naturally kills bacteria. If it's raining, make sure everything dries thoroughly before you wear it again. Next, it's essential to clean your bedding regularly. You spend around 8 hours each night in bed, and over time, your sheets and pillows collect sweat, body oils, and dead skin cells. These become a breeding ground for bacteria that lead to unpleasant smells. Try to wash your sheets once a week and let them dry under the sun when you can. Please pay special attention to your pillowcases as they absorb oils and flakes from your scalp. Change them even more often. Linda Parker, aged 75, used to wash her sheets just once a month. Her doctor recommended a weekly routine. It seemed tedious at first, but she eventually got used to it, and now her room stays fresh. Also, don't hold on to old pillows and blankets for too long. Replace them every year or 2. Over time, they collect bacteria and dust mites that contribute to bad smells. Now let's talk about your footwear and socks. Foot odor can spread and affect your entire presence. Make it a habit to change your socks every day. Cotton, again, is the preferred material. Avoid wearing the same shoes all the time. Rotate between at least 2 or 3 pairs so that each has time to air out and dry completely. Sprinkling some baking soda inside your shoes can help absorb unwanted smells. Paul King, who is 69, confessed that he used to wear a single pair of shoes constantly. His doctor encouraged him to rotate his footwear and to change his socks daily. Since then, he's noticed a significant improvement, and his grandchild even enjoys spending time in his room again. Another crucial step is ventilating your living spaces regularly. Staying indoors without proper airflow leads to odor buildup. Open your windows twice each day, once in the morning and once at night, for about 10 minutes each time. Bringing in fresh air can make a huge difference. Pay extra attention to areas like the kitchen and bathroom, as they tend to retain stronger smells. Baking soda placed in your bathroom can help neutralize odors. Fred Taylor, 71, disliked the cold and rarely opened his windows. But after following his doctor's advice to air out his rooms twice a day, he noticed the fresh air made a big difference. His daughter-in-law no longer feels the need to rush and open windows when she visits. So let's summarize what causes the scent often associated with aging. It comes from a decrease in sweat, which allows buildup, oxidation of body oils, a dry mouth from less saliva, an unhealthy diet, poor hygiene, inadequate water intake, and neglect of clothing and bedding care. Fortunately, the solutions are simple. Make sure to drink more than 6 cups of warm water daily. Spend 20 minutes walking in mild sunlight. Thoroughly clean the areas of your body that tend to accumulate sweat, folds, hairy patches, and moist spots. Include antioxidant-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and garlic in your meals. Maintain oral hygiene by brushing and using a tongue scraper. Clean clothes and bedding frequently, underwear every day, bed sheets every week, and let fresh air into your rooms twice daily for 10 minutes each time. These changes won't cost you much. You don't need any fancy tools or expensive products, just small, consistent efforts every day. Getting rid of the odors related to aging isn't only about smell. It's about making manageable changes for better health and renewed self-confidence. These steps not only make you feel better, but also enhance your relationships with loved ones and your social life. Don't allow odor to create distance between you and the people you care about. Don't miss out on joyful moments with your grandchildren, or find yourself feeling isolated. Margaret Adams, 62, shared how she followed her doctor's recommendations for 6 months. Now her grandchild happily sits with her to watch TV, gives her hugs, and showers her with affection. She thanked Dr. Henry for helping her regain that happiness. You can experience this transformation too. Take the first step today. If you found this video useful, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and pass it along to someone else who could benefit. I'll continue sharing tips that can make a real difference in your life. Thank you so much for your time. That brings us to the end of today's detailed discussion on eliminating old age odor and rebuilding your confidence. I hope you've gained insights and found these suggestions both enlightening and practical. So now tell me, what tip stood out to you the most? Was it focusing on scrubbing specific areas, drinking more warm water, or opening up your room for fresh air? Whatever it was, drop your answer in the comments under this video. I'm excited to know which habits you're taking forward in your life. If you enjoyed this video, leave your comment below, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful advice. Let's keep discovering and improving together. Catch you in the next video.